line. I have to get down at Union Station and change train to red. I got down this train, metro train, Green Line at Union Station. So now I have to go upstairs and take red light. Take this train to platform 2 and get down at Business Bay or Burj Khalifa. So I have to take this escalator. This is the red line which I came, the metro line. So this is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall stop. You can see the connection now to Dubai Mall. So just opposite to metro station is Dubai Mall. So from Dubai Mall I can enter Burj Khalifa. So first I have to take tickets and then we are a travelator escalator. So inside Dubai Mall. I'm going towards Dubai Mall from Dubai Metro to see the traffic on the roads. These are all MR buildings. There is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is also owned by MR Properties. Number one owner, real estate business. So now I am in Dubai Mall, one of the largest mall in the world, entire world, not in UAE. Come back. I will come back. Dunkin' Donuts, Time House, Huawei. So I heard that someone told me how to go to -3 levels for the tickets and Burj Khalifa entrance. I have exchanged 30 pounds, 30 Swiss francs and 30 euros. And I got around like 388 dirhams. Not bad. So I got more dirhams. See the beautiful Dubai Mall. Excellent. Cafe Nero. And the washrooms, ladies and gents. So just world's biggest mall, maybe one of the biggest mall in the world. So this is first floor, level 1. So I have to go to level -3. Excellent, awesome display of shops, very good design. Excellent lighting. You can see Guri, Italian brands, Armani, Zara, all Italian. Paris, French, Pierre Cardin, Costa Coffee. I am just walking in this beautiful mall. I am going towards Burj Khalifa ticketing area. So I wanted to take all 3 tickets with my agent, where I have bought packages for other trips, but he has given me the price and it looks similar to what I get here. And I asked him if he can provide any transport, but he said no. So then I just straight away came here and I check here. So prices might be a bit lower here. Otherwise I will buy in app, so which I bought tickets in Singapore and Bangkok. So if I buy tickets like Dubai Frame and Burj Khalifa together, I am getting like 10 dinars discount. So I will just check here. Excellent Dubai Mall. See this beautiful cafe. Just cups are hanging in the air. Excellent cafe, Illy Cafe. I can see people from entire world here, like from Europe, Asia, Africa, India, China, so all over the world. Dubai invites everyone. For tourism is their number one currency, foreign currency or income. So that's why I encourage tourism, and they always plan to build more and more world top level attractions to attract customers like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Frame, or Dubai Aquarium, so many things. Mall management office, Dubai Economy and Tourism, banks and services. I can't find Burj Khalifa tickets. They said I can get it at -1. So I might have to take different route. But Dubai Mall is divided to several sections. Now you can see I have entered one more section where you can see three floors. It is a top dome. So these are all interconnected. You can't see Dubai. Sorry, Burj Khalifa tickets or Burj Khalifa way here. Oh, okay, at the top Burj Khalifa I can see here. So I have to go that way at the top Burj Khalifa. Okay. I am planning to go to 124 and 125 floors. So there is a different ticket compared to 145. So 145 I think is a VIP, and it costs more. So but I will just go and check the prices, compare the prices. So based on that I will decide, because this is the highest building in the world, entire world, and I'm entering into Dubai Mall, one of the biggest in the world, Dubai Mall. I am landed in an excellent food court, and I can see India Palace, Indian restaurant, Boobi, Iran Zameen, I think Iranian, Doner, Turkish. So it is truly cosmopolitan, Dubai. And Umami, India, Japanese food, Umami, India Palace, Philly Steaks, vegan burger, Chinese. See, Kajun Grill, so everything. Food all from all over the world. McDonald's, excellent food court. One of the largest and one of the burger, 100% plant. Chinese Palace. I saw the rates in Indian restaurant, very high, 40 dinars for veg biryani. So I would rather go out and eat somewhere, not here. So not in Dubai Mall or not in Burj Khalifa, because it is very, very expensive. Kazan Grill. So Subway I can see. Yesterday I had lunch in Subway. So today I don't want to do the same thing. I will eat something. I would rather eat something else different. Marvelous seats. See how big it is. One of the biggest food courts I have ever seen. At least I have ever seen. Caribbean coffee, donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts and coffee. Excellent. Peet's Coffee. See how beautiful it is. Starbucks, KFC, Pizza Hut. So whatever brand you say, it is there here. I want to go out as quickly as possible to have my lunch. Zozu, Lebanese, Turkish restaurant. Batil, I don't know, Batil maybe Iranian. I'm not sure. Sorry, Arabian, not Iranian. Hafiz Mustafa. Maybe Turkish. So what I have to do now? I have to take metro and go to Dubai Frame, my next destination. So between here and Dubai Frame, if I find any restaurant Indian, so then I would definitely eat there. Lebanese cuisine, Wafi Gourmet. Nando's. We find it in UK. This is the view from second floor. I came to second floor now because I am going to Dubai Frame by using Dubai Metro. So I spoke to one tour guide. So from Rena, which I took 3 days tour with them. So I have to go to Max station, metro station. From there it is just petrol station and walkable. From Max metro station, it is on red line. So this is also on red line Dubai Mall. So no need to change the line. I just continue with the red line. So now I have to check. So now I have to check how to go to metro. It is almost like 1 kilometer walk within this air-conditioned Dubai Mall to metro. There is a pathway. Jumbo, see big electronic shop, Samsung. You can see Dubai Metro, Fashion Avenue, Fashion Catwalk. So now I am going to Adidas, Deer shop, Foot Locker, Virgin. All excellent brands, world-class brands. See the lifts. So this might be the 5-6 times bigger than largest mall in Hyderabad. I think so. I have to check. I have to Google it. So this is one more section. You can see, I think, biggest chandeliers in my life I have ever seen. See how big it is, chandeliers. This is also 2 floors, G+2, and excellent. I think there are all sections like this, different buildings and connected. And each building is like a mini, shopping mall. This shopping mall, not mini, sorry. See how beautiful it is, the restaurant. One more building with G+2 with several shops like Dyson, Yamaha, Bose, iCoffee. Excellent. See the design, architecture, layout, lighting, excellent. Everything is perfect for shoppers. It's a paradise for shoppers. Biggest electronic store, laptops, phones, TVs, mobile phones, smartphones. Going back to take Dubai Metro, red line, to Max station to go to Dubai Frame. Then I will go to my hotel after that. See the beautiful skyline from this Dubai Metro link bridge, I can say, from Dubai Metro to Dubai. Oh, now I can see tower, Burj Khalifa. I couldn't see from inside. Now I can see a beautiful Burj Khalifa. I am feeling now happy that I went up to 148th floor. You can see this is the main entrance of Dubai Mall from ground floor. And next to it is Burj Khalifa. Because both are owned by MR Properties. All these buildings, towers surrounding this Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa owned by MR Properties. Back to Dubai Metro, red line. What I have to do now? మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.